they go.
It does take a bit to calibrate in X and Y because there are glass scales on those axes. So you'll see it go down, touch the stop, and come back and go, I think, 2 more times.
Okay.
Long X travel. Now it's coming back, now it's getting Y.
Alright, tool
Now,
magazine.
Calibrate. Alright, it's there. Very handy if you have to get inside the machine with it. All the way to the left and X. All the way to the back and Y. Z-travel goes almost all the way to the table. Pretty impressive how close it'll let you get.
Do you have to worry about the Renaissance?
I don't want to go any closer to the tools that are back there though.
Yeah.
Let's do the easy route. Out. Sorry. Whenever you take this off of the controller, everything has to be done through it for safety.
That makes sense.
Alright, so
I'm gonna hide this until it wasn't like a 6 minute.
okay.
We're good now.
We'll do spindle at 1,000 RPM first. Put that back so it doesn't confuse me anymore. There's 1,000 RPM. Here goes, say, 3,500. Here's 6,000. Here's, let's go ahead and jump to 9. And then we'll go right for the big daddy at 12,000. One too many zeros. The mist collectors on this,
Ah, you're good.
I was going to say the mist collectors on this machine can also be turned off independently. So if you're tired of the sound, you're working in here, you can kill those. They work exceptionally well, especially with the oil that we use, which does have a tendency to vaporize, but it's really good stuff. I would definitely, I would not recommend going to water soluble coolant in this machine after this.
Can you pull up the hours, please?
That'll take a second.
Okay.
Because they don't.
That's just the graphics for the loaded program.